Oh my, his aim is impeccable. Oh my god! Suéltalo! 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 Ya, va.
Somebody fed me.
No, dude! You gotta go in the door! You gotta go in the door!
And he went up there and he was coming back down towards us and he goes, run. He stopped.
Man, you on the playground? No! No, no, no! Icon. Push Scooter. Push Scooter. Push Scooter. Push him. Okay.
Carrie had shared with her that she was afraid that Matt might possibly try to kill her.
ผ้าที่มันใช้ไม่ได้ส่งไปให้บริษัทเขาดูกูก็ลืมไปว่ากูแก้ผ้าอยู่ชิบหายพอถ่ายปุ๊บกูส่งไปเขากูค่อยมาดูคลิปชิบหาย
Does that feel good? Good boy. Oh, Jesus, are you okay?
I know. Good. 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 Good job.
No! No! Hey! Hey!
Oh my god!
I don't think he's excited.
Jesus!
Why is she so scared?
This is how we tell her. We just thought the world should see this.
Do you?
Who done this?
Tell me what you did. Come here. No. What's this? What is that?
What did you do?
Did you dig that hole?
We can't do that to Dog. He can't walk. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset? Riley?
Hey Louie, what happened? Did you get into something?
Bailey, did you finish Annalisa's breakfast this morning?
Okay. Who's flip-flop? Who's cuddling with my flip-flop?
Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jackal, was it? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought!
Did you eat her food? Did you eat? Did you enjoy it?
Sitting on my seat with a big old bite scrape taken out of it.
That's a bad boy.
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?
Who did this? Who did this?
Now would you look at this? Now who did it? Now you know you did it. You know you did it.
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls?
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
This, and is it, this one's fine. Like but I have a suspicion it might have been this golden retriever.
Okay. Who's flip-flop? Who's cuddling with my flip-flop?
Who did this? Who?
Jackie, did you dig this hole?
Who did?
I just don't understand. This is crazy to me.
Who did this?
Who did this? Who did this?
Who did this?
Who did this? Blake.
Excuse me.
Who's Flip flop. Who's cuddling with my flip flop?
Come here. What is this?
No, stay outside.
What are you upset about?
Come on, get up. Yes. Get up.
No! Come here. No! Tango!
Sit down.
Claire, you're so cute.
Hey.
Ow!
Rispondi a questi gatti. Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo.
Go again. That's it. Go.
Kieran, come here. Come here.
Kai. No. Come. Come.
Oakley, come here. Come here.
Get out. Get out. You'll wake up all the neighbors. Come here.